Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with the Android phone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically, if your watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings once the watch has been already set up, because you can set it up without pairing it with a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, so if your watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, after you turn it on, you will see the message on the screen saying hello, basically. And once you see it, you can tap on the screen. It will open the list of languages. You can scroll through this list, look for the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, you can tap on the language. And as you can see, we're being asked if you want to pair our watch with a phone. We want to do that, so tap on the check mark to confirm, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Basically, you will see the QR code on the screen. And what we need to do is to download and install the GARMIN Golf application and use it to pair the devices together. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in GARMIN Golf. And then tap on search. And you should see this application, GARMIN Golf. Tap on the install to download and install it. Okay, that took a while, but as you can see, the application is done installing. We can tap on open to open it. And now we need to log in into a GARMIN account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account and make a new one, then use it to log in. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap next, and enter the email address and password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and after you log in, you will see the pop-up. You can tap on Got It, and you should see the activity page. Now tap on Profile, My Devices, and here you can tap on Add Device. Select the Approach S50, allow the access for the permissions. And as you can see, the watch stopped being in pairing mode, exited the pairing mode. So I'm gonna tap on the check mark again, then tap on Start. If you see this pop-up, tap on OK, allow the required permission. And as you can see, it detected our watch. We can tap on connected. Tap on pair. And here we can allow the access for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you want to, tap on allow access. And here you need to scroll down, find the GARMIN Golf, tap on it, and tap on the switch next to allow notification access, and then tap on allow. And then you can go back. Then you can tap on next. Here you can set the privacy options. You can select who can see your activities. I'm gonna select only me, and then you can tap on next, next, and should start syncing the devices together. Once you see finish, you can tap on got it here, and you should see your Approach 50 on the list of devices. And if you wake up the screen on your watch, it should be working. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove it. So I'm gonna unpair it, and we're gonna pair it through the settings. Okay, remove it from here, and we're gonna go to our watch. Give me a second, I'm gonna check if the language is applied correctly. It's not, so let me quickly change the language. Okay, so let's say you have the watch already set up and you want to pair it with a phone. Of course, you need to download the GARMIN Golf application. Once you download it, you will need to log in into an account. And after you log in, basically, you will need to go to the profile page again, tap on my devices, and here you can tap on my add device rather. It will show you this list, select the Approach S50, and then before you tap on start, you will need to enter the pairing mode on your watch, and to do that, press and hold the upper button. Once the menu opens, tap on the settings, then scroll down, look for the connectivity option, tap on it, then tap on phone, and then tap on pair phone option. And the watch will enter the pairing mode. Tap on start, it will detect your watch, tap on connected, and basically go through the same steps as we did before. So we can tap on pair, next, next, next. We don't need to deal with the permissions because we already did that. So basically the app remembers the settings for the permissions. If we uninstalled it and then installed it again, you would need to do it again. So we would need to readjust the permissions basically for the app if it was removed. Okay, and then we can tap on finish. Got it, and the watch should be on the list. And if you go to the status, it will say connected, which means that the devices are paired together. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.